What is the atmosphere? We all live under the atmosphere. The Earth's surface is surrounded by a layer of gases. This is the atmosphere. But do you know what the atmosphere is? Imagine the atmosphere as a multi-layered cake surrounding the Earth. This is essentially what the Earth's atmosphere looks like. The atmosphere is a series of layers of gases encircling the Earth, protecting this planet. Today we will talk about the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a layer of gas that envelopes the Earth, composed of a mixture of various gases, primarily including nitrogen about 78%, oxygen about 21%, and small amounts of carbon dioxide, argon, and other gases. The atmosphere not only provides us with the necessary oxygen, but also protects us from the harmful radiation of the sun and regulates the Earth's temperature, making Earth habitable for life. Simply put, without the atmosphere, there would be no life as we know it. Without the atmosphere, the Earth's temperature could be similar to that of the Moon, which, due to the lack of an atmosphere, experiences extreme temperature variations. The temperature on the Moon can reach 122 degrees Celsius during the day and drop to minus 133 degrees Celsius at night. In such an environment, it is very difficult for life to arise. What is the composition of the atmosphere? The main components of the atmosphere are nitrogen and oxygen, which make up the vast majority of the atmosphere's volume. Nitrogen is a colorless, odorless gas that does not support combustion and is not directly utilized by most living organisms, but it is crucial for plant growth, as nitrogen compounds are among the nutrients plants can use. During thunderstorms, nitrogen in the atmosphere forms nitrogen oxides, which are then carried into the soil by rain, forming nitrates, a component of fertilizer. Oxygen is essential for the respiration of all animals and most plants. Oxygen supports combustion and is a crucial factor for the existence of life. Additionally, the atmosphere contains small amounts of carbon dioxide, argon, neon, helium, methane, hydrogen, and ozone. The water vapor content in the atmosphere is also important, varying by region and time, but playing a significant role in weather and climate regulation. In fact, water vapor is one of the most important greenhouse gases on Earth, as it can trap heat and maintain the Earth's temperature. What is the structure of the atmosphere? The atmosphere can be divided into 5 main layers based on temperature changes: the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere, and the exosphere. 1. Troposphere. The troposphere is the layer closest to the Earth's surface, accounting for about 75% to 80% of the atmosphere's mass. The troposphere is about 8 to 16 kilometers thick, thicker at the equator and thinner at the poles. Most weather phenomena, such as clouds, rain, and wind, occur in the troposphere. This layer is characterized by decreasing temperature with increasing altitude. The temperature at the top of the troposphere typically ranges between minus 50 degrees Celsius and minus 60 degrees Celsius. 2. Stratosphere. The stratosphere is located above the troposphere, extending from the top of the troposphere to about 50 kilometers in altitude. In this layer, the temperature increases with altitude due to the presence of the ozone layer, which absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun and converts it into heat. The ozone layer is a crucial barrier protecting Earth's life from ultraviolet radiation. Commercial airplanes usually fly in the stratosphere because the air currents here are more stable, resulting in less turbulence. Mesosphere. The mesosphere extends from the top of the stratosphere to about 85 kilometers in altitude. This is the coldest layer of the atmosphere, with temperatures rapidly decreasing with altitude. At the top of the mesosphere, temperatures can drop to minus 90 degrees Celsius. When dust or ice particles from space enter the Earth's atmosphere, they mostly burn up in the mesosphere, forming meteors that we see in the night sky. Thermosphere. The thermosphere is above the mesosphere, extending from 85 kilometers to about 600 kilometers in altitude. This layer is characterized by a significant increase in temperature with altitude, reaching up to 2000 degrees Celsius or higher. The gas molecules in the thermosphere are very sparse but can absorb large amounts of solar radiation, generating high temperatures. The thermosphere is also the site of auroras, which occur when high-energy charged particles enter the Earth's atmosphere and collide with gas molecules, creating beautiful displays of light. Exosphere. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere, extending from the top of the thermosphere to about 10,000 kilometers in altitude. The gas molecules in this layer are extremely sparse, almost reaching a vacuum state. The exosphere marks the boundary of the atmosphere, where gas molecules can escape into outer space. Artificial satellites and the International Space Station usually operate in this layer. Here's an introduction to the atmosphere. Do you now have a better understanding of this crucial structure that protects our Earth? If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and talk with us. Thank you for watching.